Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our social science class. Do you remember what are the points we studied in the previous class? Yes, the desert, the great desert land, Saudi Arabia, its land surface and climatic conditions, etc. Okay, today let's study about the vegetation and wildlife in Saudi Arabia and life in the desert. Okay, Saudi Arabia being a desert country does not have much vegetation. Cactus and other short shrubs survive well because they require very little water. With the help of artificial irrigation, agriculture is being practiced in more and more areas. Desalinated water, that is, seawater from which salt content is artificially removed, is mainly used for agriculture. Okay, the purified seawater is mainly used for agriculture. The main crops grown in Saudi Arabia included dates, wheat, barley, rice, and millets. Okay, melons and tomatoes are also grown here. The camel, known as the ship of desert, okay, that you know, is used to carry people and goods across large distances in the desert, so that the camel is known as the ship of desert. We also find the other animals like wolf, jackals, gazelles, that's a kind of deer, and rabbits in Saudi Arabia. Birds like grouse, hawk, crane, and sandbusters are found here. Arabian horses are known for their large body structure and speed. Okay, the Arabian horses are very famous for their large body structure and speed. Okay, scorpions and some reptiles like lizards and sand vipers are found here. Okay, next is life of the people in desert. Bedouins. Nomads traditionally moved from one place to another in search of fresh pastures for their cattle. Many people in Saudi Arabia still follow this lifestyle and are called Bedouins. Okay, the nomadic people in Saudi Arabia are known as Bedouins. Their main occupation is rearing cattle, though they also buy and sell different goods in local markets. They lead a simple life, living in tents made from animal hides. Okay? Next is very important, the huge deposit of petroleum, also called liquid gold, have made Saudi Arabia a very rich country. The discovery of oil changed the lives of people in Saudi Arabia. Crude oil, petroleum, and petroleum products are largely exported worldwide through pipelines and tankers. Riyadh and Jeddah are modern cities in Saudi Arabia. Riyadh is the capital city where people enjoy world class humanity and have a very high standard of living. A lot of money earned by way of petroleum and crude oil exports. Saudi Arabia is developing fast with modern and beautiful houses, hotels, skyscrapers, and industries, etc. Next is the cities of Saudi Arabia. Riyadh. It is the capital city of Saudi Arabia, has world-class hospitals, hotels, wide roads and schools. It has more than 1600 kilometers of inhabited land area. Okay. Next important city is Jeddah. Mecca and Medina are two famous pilgrim centers in Saudi Arabia. Okay, the two famous pilgrim centers in Saudi Arabia are Mecca and Medina. Pilgrims going to Mecca and Medina arrive here by sea or by air. Every year, millions of people from all over the world visit these holy places. Okay? The people of Saudi Arabia generally wear traditional Arab clothes. Women wear the traditional dress called abba and mostly stay at home. Men wear traditional long cotton gown called thawb. They also wrap a cloth called quadra round the head. Okay. Saudi Arabia is an excellent example of how a desert country can flourish into a prosperous and powerful one. They utilizing their natural resources with much care. Okay? Okay, students, I hope you understood this topic. What are the points we studied today? Life of the people in desert, the cities in Saudi Arabia, liquid coal, petroleum, the pilgrim centers in Saudi Arabia. Okay, you have to read this lesson thoroughly. Okay, thank you.